Tablet self-service ordering system. Language switching on the left, English, Danish. The carousel and image on the right can be customized and changed. Start ordering. The small icon below the dish name indicates allergenic ingredients, and the dish category on the right. Click to select a dish and choose the size of the portion. Click to select a drink and choose a recipe. Confirm order. After placing the order, return to the Start interface. Customers who want to view their order information can click View Bill. Click Call Attendant to select the call tab, and there will be a reminder at the front desk. The language of the tablet can be changed in the background settings. For each language, the corresponding language will be displayed when entering the ordering page.